Hello guys, in this tutorial I will try to show how to add custom portraits in the game Fallout Tactics. So I base this tutorial on a lot of reading from the internet and from No Mutants Allowed forums for Fallout 1, 2 and Fallout Tactics mod section. Also, I want to give a credit for a specific guy that write a very detailed tutorial how to add custom portraits in the game, but he didn't mention something very simple, and in these tutorials that I read they actually replace already existing portraits in the game, and I want to show how to add additional portraits in the game without interfering with the vanilla portraits. So because I don't like replacing stuff in when it comes to modding games and similar stuff. So I will stop talking now and focusing on tutorial how to add custom portraits in the game Fallout Tactics. First things first, to do this you need to have installed Fallout Tactics version 1.27. So go to Google and type Fallout Tactics. That's not going to work. Oops, I did mistake. So I'll Fallout Tactics 1.27. yes, that's something that I need. Go to this address here. Don't worry, I will add anything and everything that is very important in this video, because there will be a lot of important things that I want to mention in this video. I will add them into description in the video below, so you can copy them to text files and you can keep them for yourself. So let's download this now. Okay, I'll download it to my desktop for easy navigation and like I always do. Sorry for my bad English again, it's not my native language, so if you don't understand something completely, sorry about that. You can always rewatch the video and understand what I'm talking about. Okay, after downloading the patch, just run it, but before running you make sure that you have installed Fallout Tactics. Okay, you need to install the Fallout Tactics from the GOG or Steam version, or if you have the old CD, it's all working, so not a problem. So run this patch now, and you need to make this, but I will not install it now. I will not install this patch because my game is already patched, and I don't want to overwrite my game now. But I'm not sure if this will work now, because I think I will overwrite my game anyway, so I hope will not screw with my game. So no, I will give cancel now. So you just need to install this. Just click next, and you need to point where is your game, original Fallout Tactics game content, and install it. I'm sorry that I can show you exactly how this is working, but I already have a very little modification in my game, and if I install this patch will remove all of my modification that I do, and I don't want to do that. But just click next, and just install this official patch. That's it. I hope you understand. I'm sorry that I can't show you this, but I hope that everyone that play the games know how exactly to install official patches. It's nothing very complicated. It's nothing very hard. It's not very hard. So after you patch the game, go to your game directory or game folder. Okay, Fallout Tactics, and you shall see something like this. Ignore this Fallout Improver. I just installed because I wanted to test it. It's a very nice tool that combine Fallout Tactics tools and original game exe into the one into the one launcher, but I really don't use that. That's just ignore that for now. Okay, let's first start our game and see what happened. I want to make excuse because my video you will look my game into the upper left corner. That is pretty much normal because my game run in native resolution by 800 by 600 pixels, so it will look a little bit weird in this recording video, but it's nothing that I can do because I don't want to change my resolution to a higher resolution by that, because it looks very ridiculous. For all old games it looks very ridiculous to be played on my native resolution 1080p. It's just don't look good. So okay, so let's start the game, new game, and you already see that this is the custom portrait that I already add in the game. This portrait here, it's not from the game itself. I add this myself. I will explain, of course, how to do this just in a minute. And this is the vanilla. Pre-made characters, and this is my own character that I did. This is Fender from the movie Cyborg with Jean-Claude Van Damme from 1987, I think is the movie. I just like this villain, so I make this guy because in my playthrough I want to play this guy. I will explain everything how to do this. Okay, like you see, for now everything work correctly. So let's start first with the simple thing. Let's, for example, I want to add small custom portrait in character creation screen for custom characters. So this is extremely easy to do. It's very easy. So I go to Google, and let's say I will explain how to edit pictures here. So if you are not interested exactly how to edit pictures, how to modify the pictures, and how to work with Photoshop, you can skip this, because I want to include this in this tutorial, because I want to be a complete tutorial about how to add pictures, custom pictures in the game. So I'll try to cover everything, and that's why I will talk a lot in this video. So I'll go to Google and I will try to find suitable pictures that will look good in the game. But so let's think. Let's say I want to add the mariner from the movie Waterworld. So let's type Waterworld mariner. Okay, we need to find. It's very important. First thing first is very important to find a very good looking pictures that you will think that will look nice in the game. Let's find some good picture that's actually will work. That will work great, because it's high quality and it's big resolution. So I will save this. I will save this. Okay. Open my Photoshop. My Photoshop is kind of Photoshop that is portable. I'm not sure if this is official or a pirated version. I don't know. I just find it on Google and use it. I really don't know if this is pirated version or cracked version. I don't know. And sorry if this is some kind of illegal thing here. Please don't bury me, and don't put so much hate, because I'm not so familiar. So okay, how to edit pictures. So this is a very detailed, very big pictures here, 1080p that will not work in game. So what we need to do here, first we need to crop the picture and choose the exact location of the pictures that we want, exact the area of the picture that we want to be shown in the game. So I will go, for example, this this one will look nice. Okay, I will copy this and I will make a new project, and you see my new project is already copy the dimension of the copied selection down there. You see, when I copy this selection, my new file that I create here, it's already match the pixel that I selected down there. So okay, and I will paste now, paste. So this is our picture that will go into the game. Something that I see in this picture, I will mirror this picture. I will mirror this picture and will explain why. Because I don't like how Kevin Costner at the moment look at the right. You see, it's like he looks at nothing, and it's like it's cut with something. Like the picture is cut there, and I don't like that. That I will try to mirror this if I remember where to do this. Because let me see how to mirror this image. So let's see, flip vertical, flip horizontal. Yes, this is exactly that I want to do, but I still didn't like the picture because you see it's like he just look into the end of picture and it is too close, so I need to make another crop. Sorry about that guys, I just didn't crop it very well in the first place. So I think that way will look a lot better. Always when you cut pictures with faces, don't ever cut faces close, eyes to the end of the pictures. You know what I say? Never ever cut pictures in the end, because it looks very ugly. So I will copy again this. We'll close this one and make another new project here and paste it. And I again will make I will make a flip mirror flip here. So yes, this looks okay. This look okay. Okay, I flip this way around because in game most of the pictures in game is from left to right, and it will look very ugly if look to the left and not to the right. I will explain a bit later. Sorry if I talk too much, but this is something like improvisation tutorial video, and I never make this picture before. So next thing, we need to get rid of this this blue background here. So go to quick selection tool here, quick selection tool, okay, and just copy here and just crop here. But before that, I want to make I forgot to do something here. Sorry about that. I will copy this layer. I will duplicate this layer just in case I messed up something here. I will remove this layer. I just want to make sure that I didn't screw up something, so I just make a copy of this layer. Okay, so quick creation here, quick selection here. So we need to work a bit. Where is my navigation tool? Why always this navigator just hide from me? Okay, I'm actually very bad Photoshop editor, so don't put too much hate. Holding Alt key on keyboard will actually deselect anything that you want from the already made selection. So I will deselect here, this here, and try to be a little bit more precise. Don't worry if you didn't select it too perfectly, because this picture will be very small, and small mistakes will not be visible when we resize this picture, because this picture will be resized. I will leave that. I will leave that for now. Okay, I will make this selection here too. Okay, Okay, and I will press delete button now delete, and so our background is now removed. But you need to play around a bit with this here and remove any kind of bluish things that just make sure your pictures look nice before you put it in the game. Okay, so I need to erase something here. This didn't work. Why? I can't erase anything. Okay, that's pretty much fine. I'll get rid of this here be a bit more easy. Okay, these pictures I didn't edit it very well, but you can edit it, you can do it better. So in purpose of this video, I will stop editing the picture here. So the picture is now too large. I will make two versions of these pictures. One version will be this one. I need to remember what is the exact size of the picture, so I will put my already created picture here, big one of fender. I want to put this picture here and see what was the size of the picture. 300 by 300. Okay, so I need to resize this or crop this at 300 by 300. Now how large is now? Let's see how large is now. Let's see, 406 by 4. That's very nice, because I can easily resize it to 300 by 300. Okay, because it's square picture, I can easily resize to 300 pixels by 300 pixels, and the proportion will stay the same. So sorry about the picture, it's very hard to edit for me, but I don't want to spend too much time in editing in Photoshop. You can do that better, but anyway, this is the way to do this. So this is the size that will go to our game. Okay, this is the size that will go to our game, but before that we need to make it a grayscale. So grayscale, let's see, where was colors? Yes, grayscale. Okay, so this is already grayscale. Nice, this is okay. I will make just one final thing here. No, not that one. Outer glow. Yes, this thing, I think it will work. Yeah, a little bit outer glow, just to give a little bit touch of the picture. Nothing too fancy, nothing too so this is our big picture. So we will save it now. Save like PNG format is super important to save like PNG format, which means portable network graphic. So you need to save it like PNG and make sure that your background is transparent. Okay, it's super important to be transparent, or will look very ugly in Fallout Tactics. Okay, I will save this like Mariner big. Okay, Mariner big. Save and save. Okay, so this picture is already done, but now I want to make, because this is the big picture from the pre-made characters, so I will explain how to make the small pictures for the in-game, when you see your picture in-game. So I will cut this to, let's see, I will cut like this, and again we'll copy and then paste here. Ouch. So after I realized what was the problem, was some kind of bug probably in my, or something that I didn't understand. It's some kind of error in my project of PSD file, so I will edit the PNG file. So okay, already 300 by 300 pixel, I select all of this and copy. I click copy here, copy and make a new project. Okay, and click paste here, edit, paste. So we need to edit this with specific dimensions, so I will select as much as possible, like this, like a much not very wide picture. So I will edit, will copy this again to new file. Okay, paste, and now I will resize this image resize to 77 by 100, but you see that the 100 is not possible here, or is possible, but we need to clean the aspect ratio, and our will look ugly. So what to do here is just let's see what can be done here. We can resize. We need to resize the picture, and we'll lose a bit of or the other thing that you can think is just back to this picture and try to cut a bit less or something. I don't know, just think something. So for the purpose of this video, I will resize this picture, and we'll let's see, 77 picture by 100 pixels. I will leave it that way for now and see how ugly will look in game, because I don't want to make it by 100, because will look a bit more like stretched, but it's not fatal, but I want to keep the ratio. So let's see, 77 by, let's see, 77, yes. Okay, so I will save this now again, like PNG. But before that, I forgot something. Before that, I will need to make a new layer here, put it into the background, and make this kind of gradient color. No, the other way around. Okay, this looks okay, like this, or maybe like this. Yes, this is okay. So I will want to change the brightness of the image, because this will look very dark in the game, so I'll need to make it a bit brighter and a bit more contrast. Not too much, because we'll burn out, and we don't like burnout pictures. So I think this will work good. So let's see, 100%, yes. And now we save this. We save this as PNG, again PNG graphics. Okay, and we save it like Mariner S, which means small. Okay, Mariner S. Okay, save. Okay, close that. So go to this is very important steps now. Go to your Fallout Tactics and go to core folder. Go to GUI, which means user interface. Go to char, or if you don't have this folder here, make new folder and name it char, like the mine here. Okay, make new folder and name it char. Okay, that's it. So make this picture here big, make this folder here and just leave it for now. Make this folder, create new folder and name it big, and leave it there for now. Okay, I will explain a bit later what is this. Okay, so I will put this picture here, copy and paste here. So let's test it. Yes, the picture is here. So we will not see this picture in game. To see this picture in game, you need to do the following thing. Go to this folder here, the folder core, and look for this file locale.boc. Okay, this is your files that contain information about the game itself and what some definitions and some other stuff. Okay, I already create my BOS. I registered my BOS file to be opened with WinRAR. But if you don't have these files to be registered to open with WinRAR, you can open with WinRAR like this. Open. Let me see. Open with. Go right click on this and click open with. Okay, and select from this list here. You can select. Click WinRAR, okay, or WinZip, but I prefer WinRAR, and make sure that this check here is selected. Always use this selected program to open this kind of file. Okay, so you can open your BOC file without extracting them, because there is a lot of there is a few applications that will allow to extract these files. But you don't need to do that. You need to use WinRAR, and you can mess around with these files. Okay, I will open this now and go to the game, and look at these folders. These folders are actually same like these folders here. This is folder structures, and in this BOC archive files, it contains files that can be read from these folder structures here. You understand? It's very easy. These files here is the same like these files here. If you don't have these files here, the game will look into the local.boc and will look for these files. If you have file characters here in local, the game will read these files instead of this file here. I will not export this file here because I will already make change in my characters file. So you go to local, to this here local in your folder game, and you export these files here. I will make backup of my files just for purpose of this video. Yes, I want to backup. So I made a mistake here. Okay, so after you so let's do it again. Okay, this is my local files. This is my folder structure of the game Fallout Tactics. Okay, I go to local.boc. I open the file with WinRAR or WinZip, whatever you want. Go to game folder and extract characters.txt to local game folder. Okay, it's very simple. So export this here, okay, and open with any text editor. Okay, open with any text editor that you like. So this is the file itself. This is definitions for the all the characters in the game. But for now we will lose this, and we'll explain a bit later. We need to go to, I believe, entities and tables. Again, open with WinRAR and tables, and you see mail.txt. Go to your tables here in your folder structure of Fallout Tactics tables, and export all of these files, or if you want, you can export only mail file, and I will explain why. Mail.txt. I will again make backup here just for purpose of this video. Okay, I will export this now. close it, this because I don't need it anymore, and open this with any text editor that you have. So these definitions here, these definitions is the file names of all little pictures that you see in the game Fallout Tactics. So we need to add our picture of Mariner. So how to do this? Go here in your GUI character and see the name of the Mariner. Okay, Mariner as PNG. So you need to copy this name here, only this name without the extension. Copy only this name without the extension. Copy and make sure to paste it somewhere in between these files or first files or whatever. So copy this here. Okay, I will copy this here. Oops, made a mistake. And save the file. Save it. Save. Okay, and close it. That's it. That's it. Your picture will now be available in the game. For some strange reason, my game recognizes PNG format, but if your game didn't recognize PNG files, you will go to this Fallout Tactics tools. Okay, go to Fallout Tactics tools, click OK, and go to PNG to ZAR converter. This will convert every PNG files to ZAR files. ZAR files is the files that game will use to show your pictures. For some reason, my game, like I explained, it's display my PNG files. I don't know why, but for just in case, I will convert this. So go to GUI characters and just click open. Okay, no, just make sure to click open here. Sorry, I didn't and can we select? No, we can select many files. Okay, select your Mariner as PNG and click open. Okay, that's it. You don't need to do anything more. Exit, and you see that your picture is now converted. Go to core again, GUI character, and you see that your Mariner.s.zar is created. You see here. Okay, so let's go to the game and see what is going on. Okay, single player game. Create. So this is the create character screen. Okay, let's see our pictures. If here is our picture, our pictures is already displayed and look decently well. It's not perfect, but it's look nice. Okay, maybe it's a bit too bright, but you can always edit that in Photoshop. Okay, that's it. That's everything for the small pictures in the game. But let's say that you want to create prefab characters with your own portrait with big character screen with story. Okay, let's see how to do that now. It's actually very simple. So we already have our Mariner big picture. So go to your local, go to your characters, local, and put this picture here. Okay, like we did with the small picture. Sorry, I put my mic. Okay, I will copy this here. Like you see, I already have a few characters from a post-apocalyptic movie like Kenshiro and Mad Max, and now Mariner. Okay, so we have Mariner big picture here, and we go to local again, game, and characters, and I will actually edit my already existing character txt that I extracted before that, but I will delete this and I will edit my modified file, which contain one more characters. So open your files, open your file here with your txt editor and click find, or place or press Ctrl F and click find and type prefab. Okay, prefab starting characters. So here is my Fender character. This is my Fender character. You see, this is my Fender character that I create, and this is below that's prefab 1, prefab 2, prefab 4 and 5. This is the default vanilla character. So we need to create a mariner. Okay, just to be a little bit more nerdy, I need to go to imdb.com and see what was the name of our character in Water World, because I want to be precise. Oh, it's just a mariner. Okay, he doesn't have a name. He doesn't have a name. He's just a mariner. Okay. So we name. We need to name our newly created character here, because we need to see him in the prefab characters. So we name it here. Name mariner. But I need to change something now, because I forgot about something. We need to change this to mariner big. Okay, and I need to name this. This is the name of the file that will be seen in the game. This is the name. Excuse me. This name is actually point to the picture that the game will look at. So, for example, let's go to GUI character big, and we need to be absolutely sure that mariner big is the name of in this here name. This name here and this name in the name of the file that we create must be exactly the same, or the game will not recognize them. Okay, so I copy this here, copy, and then paste it here, just to be sure it's exactly the same. You can type whatever name you want here. Mariner. Desk mean description and story of the characters. You understand? It's exactly like the picture, but this time you type your story of your character. So let's again, this name must be mariner big, because this is the name of our picture. Mariner big. Okay, and again you must use this big bracket and type your story. For example, we just type this blah 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 blah, just for purpose of this tutorial, and click save. Okay, so I will rename this one as big also, because I made a little bit mistake in my tutorial, because if you want to have big picture and small picture in your prefab characters, you need to have exactly the same name, because I don't know how to make them without the same name. So I will go to local here and change no, not this one. Actually it was tables. In tables I go to mail and change this to big, because I want this to be shown in my screen. Okay, click save. I hope you understand what I did here. I just changed the names of the pictures to be the same and to be exactly to look to have two pictures, big one in the character creator screen and another one in during gameplay. After you do this, go to the Fallout tools. Okay, Fallout tools, click OK. Again, go to entity editor, create new one, create actor, and go to make, and you create your, this will be your character that you want to play the game. So create your character like you create your character before starting the game. So for example, let's see what we want to have. He's good with throwing weapons, because he's mariner and he like to throw harpoons and stuff like that. He's good with melee weapons also, and he's good in barter, I think, because he liked to he was good in bartering soil, I believe, in the movie. Never mind, this is just minor difficulty. So you see, we didn't have any picture here, but no worry, this will come too. So you can distribute this these character points like you usually do. Okay, you can customize your character here, and anything, whatever you want, done. You can choose the name mariner, and done. Okay, we'll go to race now. Actually, you can customize a lot of things here, and you can cheat the game, but I not recommend this. So go to name. This is very important. Delete custom name. Custom name, you don't need this, and if you make custom name, you will not be able to see your character in game. So delete this and type here mariner, this kind of symbol here, dot, I don't know how to pronounce this, so this kind of symbol, and big. So you again make sure that this is the same exact like your picture. So this is everything that you need to do here. Okay, this is everything that you need. So if you want to see that your picture is working, you can go to view, to edit, and edit Characters.txt. Okay, so our picture is already seen here. So for example, cancel. If I screw up something like that and go to view, edit, and edit Characters.txt, my picture is not shown because I didn't set any name. The name is not proper, so that's it. Will work. So you see, picture is here. You can change it from here. Okay, save. Make sure to save this file in let's see, in entities, special, prefab. Okay, and save it like mariner dot this kind of symbol, dash or whatever, down dash, or I don't know how to pronounce, mariner big. Okay, save it, and that's it. Quit now, exit, and now make sure that the file is there. Core, entities, special, prefab. Okay, our mariner is here. You see? Okay, but our character will not be shown in the game. Before our mariner is shown in the game, we need to go and make one more change. Two changes. Go to local, go to game, and go to go to tables and campaign, and again search for prefab. This is a definition from prefab characters, so make sure that your prefab characters is mentioned here. You understand? Make sure that your character is mentioned here. It's very important to follow this instruction. Copy this one here, this one. Let's fix this. It's very important to not screw something here, because if you forgot, for example, a dot or quotes, you can screw up your game, and not your game, but you can screw up your character. So we need to type mariner dot I mean dash big dot ent quote and this symbol here. Okay, you need to have this line here because you will not be able to see your character in character creation screen. Go to the file, click save, close it, and if you don't have this file, in your game tables, go to local. Oh no, sorry, go to entities, tables, and export it from here. You understand? If you don't have, you always go to entities.bos and extract it to this folder here, tables. Okay, so the last things to do here, we're almost finished. So the last thing to do here is go again to oh no, another thing I forgot to mention here. Go to your core again, core folder, and go to